When it comes to lipstick, we all want something that delivers rich color, smooth texture, and a formula that lasts, especially as we age. And today, I'm reviewing the L'Oréal Paris Age Perfect Satin Lipstick in the shade 202 Blooming Rose. This isn't just any lipstick, it's part of L'Oréal's Age Perfect collection, specifically designed to cater to the unique needs of mature skin. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. First off, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. The Age Perfect Satin Lipstick is infused with precious oils, giving it a creamy texture that glides effortlessly onto the lips. This formula is designed to provide vibrant color without drying out your lips, feathering, or migrating throughout the day. That's a huge bonus for anyone who's experienced the struggle of lipstick that fades or smudges after a few hours. But does it really live up to its claims? Let's dive into my real-world testing experience. I've been using this lipstick for the past few days, and I have to say, I'm impressed by how smooth the application is. It has a soft, creamy texture that doesn't tug at the lips, which is essential for a comfortable wear. The color payoff is bold, but not overwhelming. Perfect for everyday wear, but also buildable if you want a more intense look. The shade Blooming Rose is a beautiful rosy pink with a touch of warmth, making it versatile for both daytime and evening looks. Now, let's talk about how it performed throughout the day. I wore it during my usual routine, which includes talking, drinking water, and the occasional snack. The lipstick stayed in place and didn't feather or smudge, even as the hours went by. While it wasn't completely transfer-proof, it held its own much better than some other lipsticks I've tried. Plus, it felt hydrating, not drying, something that can often happen with satin or matte formulas. But like every product, there are a few cons. One thing I noticed is that the lipstick's wear time could be a little better. After a few hours, I did need to reapply, especially after eating. However, I found that the reapplication was smooth and it didn't cake or feel heavy on my lips. For me, the trade-off is the comfort of the formula. It's just so smooth and hydrating that I'm willing to reapply more often. In terms of value for money, I think this lipstick offers great quality for its price. At around $10, you're getting a formula that's tailored for mature skin with added ingredients like precious oils that actually nourish and hydrate the lips. Considering the technology and the thought that went into the Age Perfect line, I'd say it's worth it, especially if you're looking for a lipstick that's gentle and comfortable, but still delivers vibrant color. If you're looking for an alternative at a lower price point, there are other drugstore lipsticks out there that might offer a similar experience, though they may not have the same attention to mature skin needs. Brands like Maybelline and Revlon offer some great options, but the Age Perfect Satin Lipstick stands out for its focus on hydration and comfort. The build quality of this product is solid. The packaging is sleek and feels high-end without being overly bulky. It's compact enough to fit in any purse or makeup bag, making it a great on-the-go option. As for longevity, while the lipstick itself doesn't last as long as I would like without reapplication, the ingredients inside ensure that it feels comfortable on the lips throughout the day. As for customer support, I've had positive experiences with L'Oréal's customer service in the past, and I'm confident that they would be responsive should any issues arise with this product. So, who would benefit from this lipstick? If you're in the 50+ age range and are looking for a lipstick that hydrates while still providing vibrant color, this might be exactly what you need. It's also a great option for anyone who struggles with dry lips or wants something that feels more nourishing than a typical lipstick. Overall, the L'Oréal Paris Age Perfect Satin Lipstick is a solid product that delivers on its promise of comfort, hydration, and color. While it's not completely long-lasting, the luxurious feel and vibrant payoff make it a great choice for daily wear. I would recommend it to anyone looking for a mature skin-friendly lipstick that doesn't sacrifice performance for comfort. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with our latest reviews. Your support means the world to us, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on the Age Perfect Satin Lipstick. Thanks for tuning into Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.